Hi guys, this is Mike with Gibbys Electronics Supermarket. Today we're going to be talking about the brand new and improved frame. So, today we're going to be talking about the no-gap wall mount, we're going to be talking about the customizable bezel, and we're also going to be talking about Qled Technology. So the no-gap wall mount is actually a $300 value that's already included with the TV. So as soon as you take it home, you can get it up on the wall, get your work of art up there right off the bat. Moving on from the no-gap wall mount, we're going to talk about the customizable frame. There's many different colors. We have it in a lot of different sizes too, because the rest of the frame, we got them in 43, 49, 50, 55, 65, and 75 inches. So the choice is yours when it comes to the frame. Pick from interchangeable frames to suit your space, taste, or artwork. Now the magnets make it super easy to attach and detach a customizable frame to the bezel for different styles, so you can get to choose from a variety of colors. Moving on to the Qled Technology. It's exclusive to Samsung. The Qled Technology, with over 1 billion colors at 100% color volume, it really makes for accurate, rich, and brilliant colors. Enhance your living space with a TV that adds premium style and design. It showcases museum quality art when it's off, and over 1 billion shades of color power by quantum dots when it's on, making your space at home more inspiring, entertaining, and utterly personal. Okay guys, so that's it for me. So again, this was the Samsung frame. If you have any other questions, you can call us 1-877-761-6354. You can ask for Mike. Also, if you like this video, you can hit the like button and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Thanks guys.